The fully accessible Davis Center now offers new and enhanced outdoor activities and provides unhindered access across the north end of the park, both by reconnecting the watercourse that travels through the ravine, allowing it to run unobstructed from the pool into the mere, and re-establishing the pedestrian path that was once alongside it. About the restoration. The new Davis Center provides year-round free and low-cost programming and expanded recreational opportunities. With increased access to nature, enhanced swimming and skating, including a full-scale ice rink, a larger-than-Olympic-size pool, and a new outdoor spray pad, year-round access to restrooms and amenities and more community programming, a boardwalk through freshwater marsh plantings at the edge of the water body, unhindered access across the north end of the park,